Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 8th standard, you learn about basically the first chapter is over, first chapter is rational number. Dear students, I have discussed about in your today the new chapter, that is second chapter is linear equation and two variables. Dear students, in your mathematics, the new chapter is linear equation. One variable is the you already learned in your previous class 7th and 6th class the you know about algebraic expressions. What is the meaning of algebraic expressions? What is the meaning of equations? What are the linear equations? What is the meaning of variable? Learn about today only that side. Therefore, dear students, some algebraic equations are here. Expressions is different. Equations are different. First of all, you can study about equation. What is the meaning of equation? Dear student, equation means equating the value or variables in the equal direction, equal only. Equating the values. For example, 2x is equal to 8. And also, equation means one symbol is that is equal. This equal sign is equating the variables and values. Variable is x is the values are or numbers are 8 and 2 is the this side is equating or this is equating is the that is equations is the this is equation is 2x is equal to 8 is the and also in the equations there are so many types of equations are here. The first one equation is linear equation. The next quadratic equation, quadratic equations. Then also polynomials are here. Just like all equations are here. In your 8th standard, only one is linear equations. Linear equation. What is the meaning of linear equations? Dear student, listen here. For example, 2x equal to 8 is one equation. Or otherwise, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also one equations. Only x is equal to 0. This is also one equations. These are all equations. And also some example also here. 2x square plus x is equal to 1 is the. This is also one equations. Or otherwise, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also one equations. Next one also here you can take and you want 2x square plus 8x is equal to 8 is the. This is also one equation. You can compare these two. You can compare these three examples and also these three examples. What are the difference between these two equations? 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 6 examples are here. 6 examples are equations. In the equation, dividing two parts are here. These three are linear equations. These three are quadratic equations are here. But you can observe only example. You can find out linear and also you can find out the idea and get the idea about linear equations. What are the difference between these two? Linear means this like this. What is the definition of linear? Linear means, dear student, in the any equations you can find out what are the values are here, what are the variables are here. In this equation, 2x is equal to 8 is the. In this one, 8 is what? 2 is what? X is what? That is most important. First we will learn about that slide. 8 is, that is constant value is the. 8 is constant, but 2 is coefficient of x. This 2 is coefficient of x is the, but x is variable. X is variable, but variable. 8 is constant. This 2 is coefficient is the coefficient. Got it? These legs are here. Okay, you can comparing between linear and quadratic. In quadratic, the coefficient and also variables, and also you will learn about exponent also. X is the only x, one variable. And also you can compare x square. This is different. That is square is the square number. Power 2 is the power 1 is the. This power is 1. This power is 2. But all quadratic equations are power 2 is the. But linear equation only one power is the. Got it? In linear equations, equations have the all variables only one, or otherwise the highest degree is only one is called linear equations. Once again, check your linear equation definitions. Equations having the smallest or highest degree is only one. Highest degree is one. Degree means highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Or otherwise, linear equations have only variable x variable, only power is only one. Is called linear equations. These all are linear equations. Got it? Next, you can study about linear equation one variable. What is the meaning of one variable and two variable? Okay, your chapter is linear equation in one variable. You know about equation idea? Next, linear equation. Linear equations means equations have the highest degree is only one. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the equation is the 3 is constant, x is variable, 2 is coefficient of x is there. Therefore, this equation highest degree is only 1 is there. Therefore, this is linear equation. But otherwise, 2x square plus x 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is there. This is not a linear equation because this degree is 2 is the highest power is called degree. Degree is highest power is called degree is there. In this one, degree is 2 is there, but degree is 1 is there. 1 and 2 is greater is there. Therefore, this highest degree is 2 is there. This is not a linear equation. Our linear equation only one variable, 2x plus 3, and also 3x is equal to 7. These are the linear equations. Okay, you got the idea about linear equation. What about in one variable? Listen here, x is a variable, this x square is a variable, x is also variable, x is variable, and also 2y is equal to 8. This is also one linear equation. Next, 7x is equal to 9. This is also one equation, one linear equation. The next, these all are only one variable is there. Variable is y is there. Y is variable. In this equation, variable is x is there. In second equation is there 3t is equal to 7 is there. This is also one linear equation, but variable is t is there. Variable is t. In variable is x. In variable y is there. The variables are different is there, but all variable is only one is there. But otherwise, we know about that linear equations have only degrees 1 is there. You can write that like x plus y is equal to 8. This is also one linear equation. Yes or no? Because the power is 1 is there. Y power is also 1 is there. But degree is 1. Yes, this is a linear equation. No, this is not a linear equation in one variable. But linear is there, but not in one variable. One means only variable is 1. Variable is 1. One variable. In this one, there are two variables are here. One variable is x, and the variable y is there. This is not a linear equation in one variable. This is linear equation. This is also linear equation, but two variable is there. This is linear equation in two variable. These all are linear equation in one variable. Dear student, in your 8th standard, linear equation one variable is there. You study about that's linear equations. Okay, the next one you study about only solutions of linear equations in one variable. Dear students, the next operations of linear equations in one variable are simplification of linear equation one variable. Example number 1. You can take any one linear equations. For example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 8 is the. This is also one linear equations. Next, only x. Second one, x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is also one variable. Third one, x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is also one variable. Next, Fourth one is what? 3x by 4 plus 1 is equal to 0 is all are linear equation one variable. In the question is you can find out the x value in the given equation. Find out the x value. You can find out the x value as simplification of the linear equation. There are 5 steps are here. 5 methods are here. In this first one, consider first one is x minus 3 is equal to 0 is the. You can find out the x value as x form or simplify or find the x value or find the x value. Listen here. Example number 1. Find x value of x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 is the, dear students, only find the x value in the given equations. How you can do the x value? Very easy is you learned in the previous class. X minus 3 is equal to 0 is the, you can transpose the numbers. Transpose the number because minus 3 is there. You can minus 3 transpose this side, right side, that is plus is there. Therefore, x is equal to 0. You can take minus 3 in this side, that is plus 3. Transpose method. This is transpose method. Therefore, x value is 3 is the, our x value is 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು minus 3 ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ -3 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ +3 ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ x ದ ಬೆಲೆ 3 ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಈಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ x ಬೆಲೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋದು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, x - 3 = 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ -3 ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಯ್ಯಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಯ್ಯಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, x ಬೆಲೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತ ನಾವು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಯ್ಯಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆನಂತ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ, ನಾ ಹೋಗುದಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ x ಬೆಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ add and rule. Add, subtraction, multiplication, division rules are here. You can apply the first one is addition rule. The addition rule is ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ addition rule ಏನೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 3 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೆಯಕ ಒಳ್ಳೆತ್ತ ಜಗಳ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ therefore x - 3 = 0 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ add and both side. We can add 3 on both side. Add 3 on both sides. On both sides. Add 3 on both sides. Therefore, x - 3 plus 3 is equal to 0 plus 3 is there. Got it? Next, again -3 plus 3 cancel. Therefore, x is equal to only 3 is there. This is our first method. Both side addition method is there. Both side you can add. Add is there. This is add addition rule. This is transpose rule. You already learned about in your previous class in your competitive exam. That is transpose method is very easy. But now you have apply addition rule ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ for example apply the addition rule ಆವಾಗ -3 ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, right. The next one is what? Second one you can apply. Second question is what? Second one example number 2. Find the x value. You can consider this on second question. x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2. Okay. Second example is find x value of x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again you can find out. Therefore x value x plus 2 is equal to 0. Again you can apply the transpose method. Therefore transpose method is very easy. X is equal to 0. You can take 2 in this side, that is -2. Therefore x value is -2. Directly answer. Otherwise ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಈ 2 ಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಲೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. Again you can apply the subtraction rule. Subtraction rule is what? X plus 2 is equal to 0. you can apply you can both sides subtract 2 on both sides. Again, this is second method, subtraction method. Again, apply -2 on both sides. -2 on both sides. X plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is there. Again, these two are cancelled. X value is only -2. This also holds good. Got it? This also holds good. This is also subtraction rule. First example, addition rule. This is very easy. That is transpose method is there. Got it? Next, we can learn about third one example. Third one, therefore, third one example is, you can choose anyone in this one. No problem. Third one, you can apply third one. Find x value x by 8 is equal to 2. X by 8 is equal to 2 is the, therefore x by 8 is equal to 2 is the one linear equation. You can find out the x value. Again, therefore solution is simplification. X by 8 is equal to 2 is the our transpose method, or otherwise direct method is very easy. X is equal to 2 into 8. You can 8 in this, and that is multiplication 8. Therefore x is equal to 2 8 is 16. This is over. What about another method? Another method. This 8 another method is the multiplicative method. Multiplicative method is x by 8 is equal to 2 is the, you can multiply by both sides 8. Multiply both sides by 8. Therefore x by 8 into 8 is equal to 2 into 8. Again 8 cancel. Therefore x is equal to 16. Your answer. Got it? This is the third rule, multiplicative rule. What your first one is addition rule, subtraction rule. This is multiplicative rule. This one is common rule, that is transpose method. You can apply any questions. This is transpose. The next fourth question is the fourth one. Find the x value of 3x is equal to 2. 3x is equal to 2 is there. What is the value of 3x? What is the value of x in 3x is equal to 2 is the 3x is equal to 2 is the, therefore 3x equal to 2 is the linear equation. You can find out x value. Again, very easy transfer method is 3x is equal to 2. Simplification, therefore x is equal to 2 by 3 is the directly very easy. But what about in a division method? Division method is, therefore 3x is equal to 2 is the, you can divide both sides. Divide both sides 3. Divide both sides by 3. Therefore 3x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Again 3 cancel. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 3 is the, got it? Therefore in this type of linear equations, find the x value in one variables are here. Okay, you learn about more example in your homework. I shall continue our next class some examples.